Hi, it's install day today. So we're supposed to meet like 6:30 because my client still has to work up until 6:30. But I'm gonna drive ahead because I plan to go to Costco, and then Costco is just a few miles away from her building or her office. Oh, the important thing that I want to show is I'm wearing my steel toe shoes for the install. So what I've learned is that even though it doesn't look dangerous, you can never tell. That's also the reason that you get insurance because you can never tell what's ahead. Yeah, I almost forgot the camera, my camera. So yeah, I needed to record my process. So here we go. Hey guys, I'm here at the building. So I'm just waiting for the owner or my client. I'm here like 2 minutes early. And then what's funny is earlier I thought I don't have a mask in the car. So I kind of crafted a mask from my underwear. Yeah, I always have clothes in my car for emergency or whatever. And then for now it kind of proved useful. So. Guys, I forgot the wood screws. Oh my god. Like I drove in the nearest Lowe's, which is like 5 miles away. Or 4 miles away. And it's like 10 minutes, so it's like I wasted like 20 to 30 minutes. So plot twist. Oh, I always forget something. I really thought that I placed it in the box. Because it's like the last thing that I remember looking back is like when I kind of grabbed it, but yeah, I forgot to place it in the box. Oh my god.